Plugins and JMeter. So in this JMeter beginners tutorial, we would be learning about what are the different plugins and how we can install a plugin in JMeter. So let us just quickly start. Now in this JMeter window, what we need to do is that we need to click on this particular button, that is Plugins Manager. And on this particular page, you need to move to the Available Plugins page. Here, for example, I would want to install something. I would want to install a plugin. For example, this, say HTTP2 sampler, right? So we can add it. All you have to do is that you need to check this plugin. It should be checked over here and click on this Apply Changes and Restart JMeter. It would download the required files. It would install them automatically, and it would restart JMeter. The moment you have it with you, you would notice that the things are added. For example, if I right click over here right now, okay, I won't be able to. Let me just open it, right? And it is taking a bit time. You can see that now it is open. And over here, if I right click, if I go to add, say, let me add a script first, then we can add a sampler, and you can see that we have a HTTP request sampler and we have a HTTP2 request sampler as well, right? Now, if I uninstall this plugin, then we won't be able to see this particular sampler, right? Let me just add another plugin, and for that, let me just show you something. If I go to add listeners, these are the listeners I'm able to see right now, right? And here I would be adding one plugin which would be adding more listener, right? So I'll click on this plugins manager once again. Here I'll look for some plugin named as Perfmon Metrics Collector, right? So this is the Perfmon server performance metering, right? So here in the server performance monitoring plugin, it would be downloaded. It would be adding few things. Now let me just restart JMeter once again, and you would be noticing that here now, if I right click over this, if I go to add, you can see that there is a new plugin added. There is a new listener added, that is JP@GC, and that is Perfmon Metrics Collector, right? So JP means at JMeter plugin, @GC means at Google code, right? So this is how we can add a plugin. This is how we can install a plugin in JMeter. Thank you.